Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content.
Green hydrogen is often hailed as the fuel of the future, a zero-emission energy source that could power everything from trucks to factories without polluting the planet. But there's always been one huge problem: the cost. Producing green hydrogen with electrolysis powered by renewables can be 2 to 3 times more expensive than using fossil fuels. That cost barrier has kept this clean energy dream just out of reach, until now. A small startup from California says it may have cracked the code. Their pitch is simple but game-changing. Slash green hydrogen production costs by up to 50%, using artificial intelligence, seawater, and a modular electrolyzer design that works at scale. Sound too good to be true? Let's break down how they're doing it, why it matters, and what it could mean for the future of energy. The startup is called Aquajiro, and they've been working quietly for the last few years on a new kind of electrolyzer, the machine that splits water into hydrogen and oxygen. Traditionally, electrolyzers need ultra-pure water, which adds processing steps and raises operating costs, especially in arid regions. But Aquagyro's new design can use direct seawater electrolysis, removing the need for purification and tapping into the planet's most abundant resource, oceans. This is a big deal. Most traditional green hydrogen plants are built inland, near solar or wind farms, and must either ship in purified water or build expensive water treatment systems. Aquagyro's system flips that model on its head. It's made to work right at coastal sites, drawing in seawater, converting it to hydrogen on site, and using AI to optimize the process in real time. So how exactly does their tech work? Instead of the classic alkaline or PM electrolyzers that dominate today's market, Aquajiro is using a proprietary solid-state membrane system that resists corrosion from seawater salts and minerals. They've embedded nanoscale coatings inside the electrolyzer to prevent fouling and extend its lifespan. And they've built a machine learning layer on top of it that constantly tunes voltage, temperature, and flow rates to boost efficiency by up to 25% compared to traditional systems. In one pilot demonstration at a test facility off the California coast, the system ran for 90 days without maintenance and produced hydrogen at a levelized cost of around 320 sounds per kilogram. For context, today's average green hydrogen cost in the US is between $5 and $6 per kilo. The global target to make hydrogen competitive with natural gas is around 2 kilos. So while Aquagyro isn't there yet, they've shown a pathway to get close, and fast. But the cost savings don't come from just the tech alone. The company is also rethinking the business model. Instead of massive centralized hydrogen plants that take years to build and permit, Aquajiro is rolling out modular, containerized units that can be deployed in weeks. These shipping container-sized systems can be stacked, moved, and scaled like Lego blocks. That means less capital expenditure upfront and faster deployment for hydrogen refueling stations, ports, and microgrids. The use of AI in hydrogen production is also gaining momentum across the industry, but Aquajiro takes it a step further. Their system uses predictive algorithms not just to optimize energy use, but also to forecast equipment wear, predict seawater composition fluctuations, and even schedule downtime before a fault occurs. This reduces downtime, extends asset life, and minimizes energy waste. All critical components for reaching commercial-scale affordability. And there's more. The startup is partnering with a large shipping company in Asia to test maritime hydrogen fueling using their seawater units. The vision is bold: floating hydrogen refueling stations powered by offshore wind and solar, using the ocean's own water as feedstock. Ships pull up, refill with clean fuel, and continue on. No fossil fuel ports needed. Of course, this isn't without challenges. Seawater electrolysis has long been a technical hurdle because of side reactions like chlorine gas production, which is dangerous and corrosive. Aquagyro claims their proprietary membrane tech blocks most of these unwanted reactions, and early third-party lab tests seem to back that up. But full-scale validation is still pending. They're also navigating a regulatory maze. Coastal installations, seawater intake, and chemical discharge are all heavily regulated, and for good reason. Even sustainable tech must be environmentally safe. Aquagyro is working with state and federal agencies to ensure compliance, but the permitting timeline could be slow. Despite these hurdles, investors are paying attention. The company just raised a $45 million Series B led by several clean energy VCs, with strategic backing from a global oil major looking to diversify into low-carbon fuels. That tells us two things. One, the tech is promising enough to attract serious capital. And two, even the incumbents see green hydrogen's future and want a piece of it. Let's zoom out for a second. If startups like Aquagyro succeed, the implications go far beyond cheaper hydrogen. It opens the door to decentralized, ocean-based energy systems that can produce fuel near the point of use. For ships, remote islands, coastal cities, and even defense bases. It creates a future where countries with limited freshwater or solar land can still become hydrogen producers. And it may finally allow green hydrogen to compete head-to-head with gray hydrogen made from fossil fuels, without subsidies. For now, Aquagyro is still in pilot phase, but the next 12 to 18 months will be critical. They plan to roll out 5 demo units across 3 continents, including one in Africa where water scarcity is a major issue. They'll be testing in real-world conditions, working with utilities, and showing regulators that seawater hydrogen is safe, scalable, and financially sound. If it works, we may look back at this moment as the tipping point. The moment green hydrogen stopped being a theoretical fuel of the future and became a practical, deployable technology with real-world economics. So can Aquagyro really cut hydrogen costs by 50%? Maybe not overnight. But their approach, combining seawater, smart modular hardware, and AI-driven efficiency, just might be the key that unlocks the hydrogen economy faster than we thought. And if you're exploring green hydrogen as a business or consultant, understanding how cost breakthroughs like this work could give you a massive edge. Want to dive deeper into hydrogen development, financing, and deployment strategies? Check out the Green Hydrogen Development and Financing course at renewenergy.com, packed with real-world tools, case studies, and templates to help you lead in this emerging market. Subscribe for more game-changing hydrogen stories just like this.
Thanks for tuning into the renewenergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.